gravando o figurino para ter um áudio de qualidade, não, porque é necessário, né? Aê, viado. Ô, oh, caceta, meu ovo. Me mata, miserável. Atenção aí, dois viados. Esse aqui é o de trás, dois bichas do caralho.
Tá no celular, mano. Não pode. Você tá no celular, não pode. Você fez zigue-zague. Ó, você bateu no meu animal, que aí?
Não viu. Foda-se, como é que não viu?
I'm right here. You passed me, and I was right fucking here. God damn it. People, I swear to...
Didn't even use the turn signal.
I think she did last second, then just cut right over. It's like I'm sitting...
I didn't see one at all.
I'm sitting right here, lady.
Good thing I wasn't that close to you.
Yeah. And all she's like, sorry. It's like, you passed us. You knew we were right here. This guy doesn't. I'm just gonna fucking take off some mirrors.
people have with their mobile phones. I get in the car, I don't feel the need to look at my phone all the time. £65? Are you kidding? Keep clear.
Why?
I want your name and address.
I don't live around here.
Okay, then why are you running on this property?
Because we're allowed to. He
No,
has
you
permission.
are not allowed on here. I want your name.
Ben Schaefer?
What is it?
Ben Schaefer.
How do you spell your last name?
S-H-A-F-F-E-R.
Okay. Okay, address.
I'm not going to give you my address,
And
man.
what's your phone number?
I'm not going to give you my phone number.
Okay. You either get off this property right now or I call the police because you do not have permission to run on this property. And the property owner told me he does not want anyone on this property running on these bikes. Because if something happens, your parents will want to sue him and he didn't give you permission to use this property. So I'd appreciate it if you go and get off of here right now.
All right.
I'm just trying to be nice because you don't want the police to get involved.
Well, I mean, like, they said, like, we can ride here on Sundays because on Sundays they're not hunting.
Yeah.
No, that doesn't matter. He didn't ask.
My dad did. He asked.
No, he didn't. He did not ask this guy that owns the property.
Yes.
Yeah, his name's Roger Gerhardt.
Yeah, but he did not give nobody permission because I just asked him yesterday.
Okay.
And okay, if you and bad enough, you all want to run up in here where we get all the noise. Go back there and run. You people have kids that live. We're all senior citizens here. We shouldn't have to put up with this noise. But I'm telling you, get off because he does not want people on this property running these bikes and mini bikes and snowmobiles and all this shit. So I'd prefer if you do that because he doesn't want to get the police involved. So I'm just telling you nicely. Okay?
Nicely.
Okay, thank you.